Big one.
Oh!
What's in there? The Titanic?
Yeah. Big box. What's inside it, Matthew? What's inside?
What is it?
A car. It's a car road. It's a car driver. It's road. The road is going.
Well, here, let's see.
Down.
Let's get a close-up of it.
This box. This fixing box.
So now you have something to play with your cars.
Yeah.
Okay, look at me. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs down.
No, thumbs down means you don't like it.
Good.
This would be 2 thumbs up, right? Good. 2 thumbs up. Look at me.